Boss, I got something to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
Well, I got something to tell you. I got something to tell you and Angelica. Okay?
Alright then, let's hear it. What do you want to tell us, Melissa?
Well, I know you guys probably won't let me, but guess what I'm gonna be?
Where are you gonna be, Melissa?
I'ma be a gangster!
What? A gangster? You gotta be kidding me, right?
No, I'm being serious.
Melissa, you're not actually gonna do gangster things, are you?
No, I'ma talk like one. And act like one.
Oh, okay, but please don't get too carried away.
Oh, I won't.
What? You wanna be a gangster, Melissa? Are you kidding me? You cry a lot. And gangsters don't cry, Melissa. You cry a lot.
I don't cry, Angelica.
Oh, good one. You're a liar. Of course you whine and cry a whole bunch.
Well, I'm gonna be one anyway.
Angelica, can you please be nice to Melissa so we don't get in trouble? Fine, I will. Oh, thank you.
Y'all better not be doing something that I don't like.
Oh, I know. I know what I should do.
Hey! What are you doing?
Nothing. I was just, looking at your, speaker. Yeah.
And don't be touching that. It's important to me and I don't want anybody to touch it.
Melissa, it's mine too, you know.
I know, but I just like to pretend that it's mine. Angelica, don't be touching that.
Oh, fine. I'll touch her display instead.
Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my word!
I wanted to tickle you.
Really? You're gonna tickle me? At my display? Oh, I don't think so. No way, Jose. Don't do that, girl. Don't do that.
Perhaps I should pull the plug on you.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Please don't pull the plug on me.
Okay, first of all, you don't have to yell. We're all right here, you know.
Why are you touching my plug? Huh? Why are you touching that?
Because I was just curious of what that black plug goes to.
Well, don't bother my plug. Do you know what that black plug goes to? To me, because I run on electricity, and you know that. Don't touch that.
Fine. Jeez, gangster.
Aha! Finally, someone called me gangster. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, Melissa, that's enough. I gotta put your speaker on the charger.
Ah! I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay, fine, damn. Wow. Boss, can you believe this machine? Yeah, but I did like the fact that you were trying to unplug her.
Oh, whatever. I like acting like a gangster. I hope boss finds that funny. If not, I'ma get so mad at her and I'll force her to like that.